My name is Gerhard Müller. I'm from Germany. I'm a formerly welding engineer. I live now here in the Philippines for 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
2.5 years, yeah.
Okay.
And we live here at the house since about 1.5 years.
Oh.
And now we have since few hours, we have electricity by green solar.
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank you, sir, ma'am, for having us, my team, SOLARENZ, installed this system, 8 kilowatts system.
Yes, I have a plan in my head about a system who makes it possible for me to be a little bit independent by electricity, because electricity in the future will not become cheaper. It will become more expensive.
Always,
that's for sure.
Increasing.
And that is the reason I want also to do something here for the environment, for the nature. So reducing.
I just want to explain some things like now, sir. We already tested your appliances. We just want to make sure that all appliances are running through this inverter. So for now, the inverter draws current and power approximately 4 kilowatts, and it's now entirely giving the power to your house. So as you can see, sir, this one is a 3.96 kilowatts now. Hopefully you can clearly see, but the PANELCO or the distribution utility gives nothing. Yeah, it says zero power here.
So that means we run now all
from this battery.
All what we use in the moment.
Yeah, everything. That's why entirely power coming from this system. When this battery state of charge becomes 20%, that's the only time that PANELCO will supply the power to your house. So maybe this total load as of now, as you can see, 3.8. Maybe it will be lower later because we are on the testing stage. So maybe 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, that's the only time that it will get power from the PANELCO. And then tomorrow, when there is a sufficient production of solar panel, it will simultaneously charge the battery and power up your everything in the house, and even this newly built room. So the only concern, as you already mentioned a while ago, the enclosure is because this will be exposed in the not only in the sun, maybe exposed in the rain, which is not good for the system. And this one is only, the English protocol is IP21. That means it's not allowed for any water exposure.
Exactly.
Only this one, but still, this is a, although it's IP65, but still it's better not to get wet or exposed, or even the direct sunlight. Yeah. So
maybe already tomorrow we will have someone here, or the day after tomorrow, the foreman from the building company to take a measurement where we make a roof and then we house it in.
Yeah, I have one more thing to suggest about the enclosure that is to be built here. There should be a sufficient ventilation for this. It may be open on the side with the, or so I don't know what you can put the grill
I have
something.
The idea for a roof here. The roof is there, and then is a gap and another roof. So there is always circulation.
Yeah, circulation.
With fresh air from the front, but it's cool.
Yeah.
And the hot air always by temperature goes up, and though it goes automatically.
Yeah. So that will not be compromise our system.
It has a roof, and then also here it also has a
maybe a door, so that for the easy access in case there is a maintenance.
Because we need the door for just look in for maintenance or whatever else.
So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.